Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have this little vacuum cleaner, which is for small areas. You can also probably take that to your car and stuff. But yeah, let's dive right into this box, make it as short as possible. So basically, let's unwrap this here for a second though. There's the extra filter as well. So basically what it is, it's just this pretty small handheld, pretty straightforward, an extra filter as I said. Throw that to the side, and then also a little bag where you can store the thing away. And as you see, it's pretty easy. You have a little power button, which is up here, also a little secure cap, and besides that, not much is happening. It stands by itself, which is good. So you can just place it anywhere. You can hold it easily USB-C for charging, which is easy and good to have. And as you see here, there's different power modes, like a total of three. One, two, and three. They all light up. I don't think the camera picked that all up quite nicely, but whatever. So, and then when you're done, you just open this up, remove everything. You can replace the filter as I told you guys. So we can pull that out, and then you're just gonna throw everything away. And that's basically what this is all about. So, take care, you guys. My name is Badger. I'm out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.